Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in my video, in this session of video, we will be discussing about sex determination in honeybee. Okay, honeybee, we know it's a social insect which is very helpful in pollination of flowers. Okay, there are three different terminologies that one should remember or understand before understanding sex determination in honeybees. That is, first one is queen. First one is queen. Okay, queen. Next one is drone. Next one is worker bee. Worker bee. Okay, queen is, both queen and workers are female, while drone is a male. Okay, this is the symbol for female and this is the symbol for male. Okay, this is there. Now one thing that is special or unique here is, out of these three, only two are fertile and one is sterile. Now what do you mean by fertile and sterile? Fertile means able to reproduce, sterile means unable to reproduce. Now we have infertile couples or mules, correct? Mules are sterile or infertile, means they cannot reproduce, they're unfit for reproduction. Okay, so drone is a male, sorry, drone is a male, queen and worker are female. Another interesting thing here to be noted is, queen is diploid, worker bee is diploid, drone is haploid. Honeybees have 16 pairs of chromosomes. Now how humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes, honeybees have 16 pairs of chromosomes or 32 chromosomes. 32 chromosomes or 16 pairs of chromosomes. Okay, so can I say here queen is diploid means number of chromosomes in queen is 32, male is 16, drone is 16, worker bee is 32, correct? Now how male is becoming 16, or why male is becoming haploid, female is becoming diploid, why not female is becoming haploid? We will see this with the help of a cross. Okay, take, here I am taking a female. As I said, a female will always have, is always diploid, so female will have 32 chromosomes. I'm taking it as 16 and male will have here only 16 pairs of chromosomes. Now let us see why male is having 16 pairs of chromosomes. When there is a mating, of course, as I said, worker bees are sterile. Even though they are female, they are sterile. So of course, whichever honeybee is undergoing mating, that must be a queen and a drone. Okay, I hope you have understood what I mean to say. This is a queen and this is a drone. Okay, now when mating happens, this one egg and this one sperm come here and form again a 16 and a 16, which is again a female, and this one egg will undergo a process called as parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis, which means formation of progeny without fertilization. We see parthenocarpic fruit or parthenocarpic seed, which is formed without fertilization, means the egg and the sperm or the male and female gametes do not fuse together. So they are, that process is called parthenogenesis, where the male and female will not fuse. Okay, so here the queen, one of the queen's egg will undergo parthenogenesis and this will form 16. Okay, male here, if you observe parthenogenesis, only queen is able to produce, only queen is producing 16 chromosomes, and now this 16 chromosomes is turning into a male. I hope you have understood. Once again I will just recapitulate what I was said. 16 chromosomes in female, only one 16 chromosome in male, that is male is haploid, female is diploid. Two chromosomes, one from female, one from a male. The two gametes come and fuse to form another two diploid case, that is female, and one case, that is haploid. That is only one egg, one chromosome or one egg is left with queen, and that will undergo parthenogenesis and form male. Now here, in this situation, whether this is a queen or a worker, how can we decide? This is purely based on the kind of nutrition that they receive. If they are receiving a good amount of protein rich food, okay, they will turn into queen. If not, protein rich food, normally a bread like something, then they convert into worker bee. So this depends on the feeding habitat given to the honeybees. Now one more conclusion that we can draw from this point is, drones will not have sons and father, while can have grandfather and grandson. How this is possible? Let us check it out now. This is a male and this is a male. Okay, this male is only producing female. Male cannot produce male again. Why is that happening? Because male gamete is not required to produce a son, because son is produced through parthenogenesis, which is in turn only possible by queen. So drone is only required to produce a female, not a male. That's why drones cannot have sons, nor they can have father, because they are born from mother through parthenogenesis. So they don't have father, they don't have son, but they can have grandfather and grandson. How? Now this drone is there, correct? This drone is from this mother. This mother will of course have father, correct? That's then only father, one sperm from father, egg from mother will fuse and form the female. That's why he can have a grandfather, same condition, he is donating his sperm to the other queen, and then that is forming another female, and that female will have a son through parthenogenesis. Then the drone can have grandson there. So this point is very important here. Another point that I have to discuss here is, here the gametes undergo, in female queen, the gametes undergo meiosis. It undergoes meiosis. That's why two different kinds of gametes are produced, while in drone it undergoes only mitosis. That's why only one gamete is produced. Even this is also very important. Queen undergoes meiosis, drone undergoes mitosis. In cell cycle and divisions, we have this point. Mitosis is helpful in gamete production in honeybees, male honeybees. This is at this point. Drones undergo mitosis to produce their gamete, while female undergoes meiosis to produce their gametes. So these are few important points one can ask from the concept of honeybees. I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much.